So, hi dear Aquarius, a very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading. No, this is a 7 day, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 16 till the 22nd of December. I'm going to pull one card for each day. You can take it as messages, guidance, warnings, and or simple plain challenges or obstacles that you might face in the particular week. Okay. Now, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. This is the best healing modality of the whole universe. Because of that, I'm doing what I'm doing today. Seriously. Okay. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can book your slots accordingly. You can just check out the website. If you have any issues, you can mail me for the same. Everything is given in the description box. Let's see, Aquarius, for you guys, what are the messages for the 7 days Oshos and Tarot messages. 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for Aquarius for this particular week. Let's see. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21st, 22nd. 16, we have the postponement. So you might get frustrated and or irritated by the way things are getting delayed in a particular area of your life. But the postponement, this delay is actually the universe kind of protecting you from something that is not meant for you, that is not good for you. Okay, so take this postponement or this delay as something that is a protection from the universe's side. You can write in the comment section, protection, postponement is protection. Postponement is protection. Okay, so whatever is happening is actually happening for your highest good, and it is teaching you something that you might not be able to point out right now, but you will be definitely in the coming future. 17th, we have the beyond illusion. So the more you are going to be aware, the more you are going to be meditating, the more you are going to be in the awareness mindfulness phase, the more you will be able to see beyond illusions, the people, situation, things for what they are and who they are, and or you should, instead of living in delusions and illusions that that person is this like this, or that can never happen with me, or I'm like this. You might be living in some kind of illusions that you know are not true. So you have to go beyond those illusions in order to come back to the reality. It might suck for the time being, but the more you are going to be real with yourself and honest with yourself, the more you are going to attract those kind of energies towards yourself. Towards you. 18 December, we have the control. Do not try to control each and everything in your life. You cannot, Aquarius. Even if you think you have the power to control each and everything in your life, you can't do that. Sometimes, not sometimes, all the time you have to let go and surrender. But sometimes we try to control things that we feel like we can control. All we can do is control our bodily functions. That too, if we are in our senses. Come on, I'm just kidding. But see, all we can control is our own actions, our own reactions, our own things. But we can't control people, things, and situations that are beyond our control. So don't try to control each and everything in your life. Just let go and surrender. Control whatever you can control from your side, basically. 19th, we have the abundance. The more you are going to be in the abundance mindset, the more the universe is going to bless you with a lot of abundance. Abundance and gratitude should be your motto for this particular day, and you will be able to attract more and more with a very, very positive attitude without doing much about it. It's like living in the abundance mindset and attracting abundance towards you naturally, organically, without doing much about it. I love that because I do that. I'm doing it. 20th, we have the intensity. So suddenly you are going to realize that you need, in order to change something in your life, in the 3D world, you have to change something with your energies, and you're going to feel the intensity, the urge, the desire to change something in yourself. And at that moment only, you will be able to see things, people, situation, and everything from a different perspective. All you need is the intensity to go through that illusion and delusion and break free from that. Very good. 21st, we have the nothingness. So the universe is going to give you a clean slate, so that you can write whatever you want to write. You are the director, you are the writer of your own script. So whatever you want to write on this slate, you can write, because the universe is definitely going to give you a clean and fresh slate, so that you can just write your story with your own hands, and no one is to blame here, nothing is to blame here. Nothingness, this is the thing that everybody is running for, right? Spiritual people are running forward to have fresh start, clean slate, nothingness, emptiness, void. that you're going to have on this particular day of 21st December. Make good use of this day. You're going to realize something blissful this day. And I'm feeling very, very hot. Okay. Now, on the 22nd of December, we have the success. You are going to enjoy and celebrate your success in some way. You're going to get rewarded for some kind of hard work, and or you're going to come in the eyes of the right people. Now, definitely you should enjoy this success while it lasts, but at the same time, stay humble, stay grounded, and understand that nothing on this planet Earth is permanent, neither your success nor your failure, and not this also. So stay grounded and stay humble. Cool. So this is what I have for you for this week. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.